Did I just hear that right? They're talking about Chapman going to the Nationals. Oh my goodness. That would be no good for anybody. Oh. That would make the Nationals rotation insane. Arguably one of the best closers in the game going to the Nationals. Man, with that rotation, get him on the back end. Talk about wanting to win a World Series this year. Alright. Now we're good. It's finally in there. Switch you guys over. Pull up perfect game. There it is. Perfect game number 3. We got A on top, Z on the bottom. It is a one spot, so it will re-alphabetize. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. V on top, O on the bottom.
But are there clubs that are in the mix that are in desperate need of a closer? That's the question, as you see the media on the mound here. Scoreless in the 8th. While we watch this, right side of your screen, Brett Roy's at the plate in Anaheim. And did he get all this one against Hector Santiago? I think he did. To the track, to the wall, Pedro, you're right.
They were just talking about it on MLB Tonight. That was the first I've heard about it. You think if the Reds got rid of Chapman that they'd still deal Cueto at the trade deadline? Would they hold on to him to at least have some sort of a rotation? They're always talking about moving Papelbon. Always. His name always pops up being on the trading block.
It's amazing to me because the batting averages are so poor that your percentages of getting guys out are really high. So if you keep them in the park, you're probably going to win the game. You know what? Immaturity will do that to you. I will start to never pitch inside low. Because that's the sweet spot for a lefty and for a righty. Low, middle, in. A lot of those pitchers are trying to get a strike 3 call on an inside, middle in fastball, which is a sweet spot for every hitter. Yeah. And I think that's what they're going to hurt. Santiago, you just saw it, back-to-back pitches, low, middle in, homers. Ken Giles just wants to throw the ball over the plate right now. 3 balls, no strikes. Jordan Mercer at the plate for Palmer in Pittsburgh. Mercer not swinging and a strike.
What?
He almost threw the bat. I don't know if that's a strike, but that's okay. You make him take a strike. He's going to come back. He's going to have to throw 3 strikes in a row. You hear everybody barking.
Phillies Pirates game's actually pretty good tonight. Wow. All right, here we go. A Leaf perfect game number 3.
He would have had to throw 3 strikes in a row to get you. Scoreless in Pittsburgh will keep you posted. The first place New York Mets at home. Wilmer Flores. I'll talk about this kid's defense, but you just focus on his bat, Pedro. What? Well, they're a good player. This kid is whatever he's not doing in defense, he's doing it with the bat, though.
Comes in a fancy hard plastic box and everything. Sam Lanier, 28 of 50. That is going to Joe Buz. Chris Gow, 16 of 50. Going to Michael, PLU. Jordan Myro, 44 of 50. Going to Michael, PLU. Nico Navarro, 14 of 50. Going to Michael, PLU. Jared Middleton, 43 of 50. Going to Michael, PLU. Yeah, you grabbed one earlier in Perfect Game. Andrew Cabezas, 9 of 25. Going to Reggie, GIE. Dano Deus, 1 of 25. Going to Nathan, PAP. Anthony Molina, 23 of 25. Going to Michael, PLU. Austin Riley. Going to Joe Buz. Cameron Creamers. Going to Eric, HIL. Alexis Omar Diaz. Going to Nathan, PAP. Daniel Sprinkle. Eric, HIL. How long do you think it took to Photoshop all those Perfect Game t-shirts on these guys? Brendan Illies. Going to Michael, PLU. M's always a good letter. Brody Wolford. Stevens, MOO. Carlos Garrido. Going to Michael, PLU. Cody Davenport. Nathan, PAP. Told you guys there's a lot of cards in here. Dylan Poncho. Going to Steven, QUI. Hey! We got you one! Dylan Paulson. Steven, QUI. There's 2 of them. Look at you on a roll, Steven. Eric Jenkins. Going to Reggie, GIE. See something nice. Hunter Stovall. Eric, HIL. Oh, really? I did not realize that. I figured they had to Photoshop all their names in there. Jackson Parthasarathi. That is going to Steven, QUI. And another one. What do we got here? No clue. Michael Bruhin. The yellow plate, 1/1 auto. Going to Eric, HIL. Nice, grabbing a 1/1. I can get some more. We could probably put one up over the weekend and have it here Monday. There you go, Eric. Call him Butter. Kevin Stroshine, 4/10. Going to Eric, HIL. Look at you go. The first patch, Eli Marrero. Nice big old jersey piece. That is going to Michael, PLU. Do not see a number on that. And look how we finish it out. Al Pesto. 20/25. Going to Steven, QUI. There you go, Steven. It's about time, huh?
It wasn't like, okay, let's keep going out here and see if we can figure it out and get through it and all that. Look, bad outing.
Nice. Nice hit. 20/25 auto jersey. A little bit of two-color in there. That'll do it for perfect game. Kind of weird because you don't know a lot of the players or most of the players. But it's got to be kind of nice to hold on to the cards for a couple years. Watch them come up, go through the draft, and see if they're going to be worth anything. We can get some more. A case break? We could see, maybe do a case break for the National. The plastic box. Sure, I can figure something out. I have to see what your shipment is. If you got a box, I'll throw it in there. If not, I might shoot you an email for a couple bucks to ship it out in a box. I've got two of them if you want it. I've got one from the last box we did too. Yeah, Sunday I'll see what you got going out. If you got a box, I'll throw them in there. If not, I'll shoot you an email for a couple bucks. Have you PayPal it over. It would take forever. There's a lot of cards. Who wants to do some Finest? Finest number 7 sitting at 9 teams. Number 8 sitting at 8 teams. I didn't know there were hot boxes. That'd be kind of cool. Get these videos. The names changed so people can watch them, get them uploaded to YouTube, or uploading to YouTube.
Surprise, of miles. Enough is enough. Switch to the Capital One Venture card. With Venture, you'll earn unlimited double miles. And using those miles is easy. Just book any flight you want on any airline. Then use your miles to cover the cost. No blackout dates. What's in your wallet?
Heineken Light, the best light beer you've ever tasted for your money back. With this guarantee, we're literally putting our money where our mouth is. No, we're not literally. I literally wouldn't do that. That's like... Heineken Light, the best light beer you've ever tasted, or I'll give you your money back. Not me. I will. Someone will give you your money. Someone at Heineken. I'm guessing. Is it?
Some people go to Greece and bring back a statue. Me,
I gotta be up in like 4.5 hours.
Pizza is back. A large for $12. And try our new
It'll be a long day tomorrow.
nuts for just $5 more. Better ingredients, better pizza. PapaJohns.com. Out of 42 vehicles, based on 6 different criteria. Why did a panel of 11 automotive experts name the Volkswagen Golf Motor
Here we go.
car of the
Archives and Finest are uploading to YouTube. Names are changed, so if you're looking for archives, they should be there for you now.
Starting at 19,295, there's an award-winning golf for everyone. AC is so not cool. Yeah, but what can I do about it? Fix yourself with AC Pro.
We could do something like that. It'd be fun for you guys. I'd be hoarse by the end of the night.
Pro with AC Pro.
Watch Dodgers Padres, MLB Network Saturday Night Baseball live at 10 Eastern. Randy Johnson, Pudge Rodriguez, Griffey Jr., big league legends in their prime. Face a team
Haha, I can't nap. I got a tournament tomorrow morning.
Saturday at 7:30 Eastern on MLB.
I gotta drive an hour. I gotta leave my house at like 5. Should be fun tomorrow. Lot better lake. Lot better lake.
however you play ball, play ball.
MLB Central, the morning show that
Yeah, there's no napping for me tomorrow.
all day. With the inside take on your favorite players. And a side of the unexpected. MLB Central, weekday nights at 10 Eastern on MLB Network.
White Lake.
Heidi Watney recaps every dazzling highlight and all the pivotal moments.
White Lake up in Whitehall.
It's a preview of the big matchups coming down the pike. Quick pitch tonight at 1 a.m. Eastern on
I knew they're supposed to be, most of them are supposed to be good players or expected to do well in the next few years. Probably nothing you're going to see right away. I think there's a bunch of short prints of players that are expected to go high sooner rather than later. Like I know that Daz Cameron one is a short print.
Back to the basketball scene with Michael J. Fox. Spanier.
Yeah, I'd probably rather be fishing than that too.
They got off to a good start when they brought him out of the bullpen into the rotation. 2-0 is the score. Dodgers with the lead. Kershaw, same old, same old. I mean, recently he's been amazing. The last start against the Cardinals was off the charts. He went back to A.J. Allen's catching it. That was it. Experiment over. Mad Bone versus Goldie. You know, Pedro, you notice holes in guys' swings all the time. You talked about Chris Bryant's last night. Does Goldie have any issues like that at all? Well, you could
What do you guys think? We gonna get some Finest tonight?
strike zone, but you gotta have some serious octane guys to get right around him. But this kid is a kid that keeps his hands behind really well. He will be trouble for a lot of pitchers because he has a great inside out and he can take you deep the other way too. Jeff Francoeur with a base hit off of Mark Melanson. Not a safe situation. Time to place a small ball. Go to, they do. Unable to get him over is Fernandez, who's getting a start tonight at shortstop. Ash takes a strike. That's basically a pitch out. The ball's on the outside half, on the corner there.
Philly's not looking so good.
To make the throw. So that was
They gonna let the Pirates win?
Late first out. So Ash will draw a walk. Ruff goes the other way, base hit. So now you got first and second. Philly have something cooking here. Oh my goodness. Roll the ball in. 3 balls, 2 strikes. Philly's begging for a run. Chase Utley. That was a pinch hit opportunity there, guys. He's 0 for his last 22.
Trinity. What was the other one you said too? To look for?
One of the players that I've seen study the game, I mean, more than anybody. And I don't understand why. I don't know, it got to be a health issue. Because I don't see him dropping that low.
Who's due up for the Pirates?
180. And that's the worst batting average in baseball. And he's got one of the most.
You got the pitcher, so who they gonna hit for the pitcher?
Fitz trying to figure it out. I mean, he started off, what, 9 for 90? Yeah. And they were like, what's going on? And it just hasn't gotten any better. You know, so it's a surprise. He does have a simple swing. I mean, it's just boom, boom, very simple mechanics. He has a great hand-eye coordination. The work ethic is there.
To make matters worse, if the Philadelphia Phillies are indeed shopping everyone, that people think that they're shopping, if it's Cole Hamels, if it's Papelbon, if it's Ryan Howard,
Panini Classic, that's right.
It's such a poor level right now that he's unmovable.
Well, I don't think anybody wants to take a chance right now because of the way he's looking. I think
I'll look into those. You guys got any products you want us to look into possibly getting? Let us know. We're always looking for stuff you guys are interested in. Otherwise, we're just, half the time we just take a shot in the dark at something and hope you guys like it.
You moved Jimmy Rollins already.
Hey, what's up, Joe?
He's just not going anywhere. He's 10-5. He's not going to go. You knew he was going to be that guy that's... He's a Philly. He's not going anywhere. Okay.
Yasmani Tomas, did he go out to a double play?
Yes, he did.
sometimes a change of scenery,
It's good.
it is really good.
Yeah.
I don't know, maybe he needs that.
Duffy at third base tonight. Looks like he's trying to grab that gig, by the way, the San Francisco Giants. Duffy Madison Bumgarner has won his last 4 starts. Hector Santiago,
Yeah, that's all Eric.
What are you talking about? Hector was the best lefty going.
comes in. He's had a better year this year than both Kershaw and Madison Bumgarner. I was just, pointing out the facts, Harold.
Well, that game was fun.
Wow.
Yeah, it is. We're already in
That is pathetic.
Hey, now it's time to figure out.
My cash game lineup has scored 18.05 points.
Pedro's draft.
That is disgusting.
There you go, Miguel.
A couple of hits.
Que hubo, chamo? A la calle.
Just keep doing that, Pedro. I can listen to you speak Spanish all night.
What do you guys say about that? Oh, that's nice. That's a nice piece of reading.
See, I understood that.
Qué lindo, mi niño. Qué lindo.
Miggy's hitting 330 with 13 homers, 43 RBIs. I have bad news for you.
Yeah, I did. Sorry, Plum.
Chances are
I did forget about that. We randomed it off, and the random I did in my head, it went to Plum.
first base.
Sorry if you guys missed it.
It's no one at first base right now. Miguel Cabrera. Maybe Paul Goldschmidt, but he's in the National League side.
Yeah, it was ugly tonight, Eric. I don't even want to talk about it.
He's had some history with, especially the starting pitcher for the Tribe, Danny Salazar.
Guess it makes up for making $50 last night.
It was a delight to watch a couple of years ago, or a year ago, when Salazar basically was breaking into the big leagues and he was blowing Miggy away. Remember that? But let's go to tonight. And you take a guy deep, you don't ever forget him. Here's a 2-0 pitch. Boom, threw it blind.
Yes, it is, Joe.
You got this little battle between the two. 3-1 again. Here's my
The
fastball.
dual auto.
He challenges Miggy all the time. 3-2. He says, okay, good job. Good job.
25 of 50. McGuire, Jackson. Very nice hit.
Remember me? I'm the MVP. I'm Miguel Cabrera. He's like, yeah, I remember you. Let's go back because when Salazar was breaking into the Indians and he was mowing everybody down, he came in, boom, see you later, strike one, struck him out. That was one time. Boom, 100 miles an hour, fouls it back. Comes right back after, depends on your levels. Power, 99. All right? Salazar just up from the minors. He's all fired Froggy coming after Miggy. This is Triple Crown year. Oh, boy, don't throw that again. Don't throw it again. Boy, hit the hard. All right? Boom. See you later. Bloom away 99.
But see the elevation on those pitches?
Yes.
And that's where he should do it.
That was the second. Here's the third. Boom. See you later. Bloom away again. 3 punch outs. All right? Like, wow. Yes, Danny. Danny. And Miggy said,
Sorry, guys. I got distracted there.
this is Miguel Cabrera. This is not AAA. That ball is gone deep into the
Showing Salazar pitching to Cabrera.
hit that ball 99. Struck him out 3 times. He went back after McGinn. Even had he had the Detroit fans there say, Miggy, MVP, MVP. Gave him a little shout out, looked at him. You know, I love it. That was fun. This dude has playing baseball. And if there's anything that having played winter ball in Latin America and watching the flair of the Latin players is they have fun playing ball. And Miggy's the epitome of all that.
He's a fun guy. He's always laughing, easygoing.
I was out of a break. Finest 201.
You got when you saw a guy challenging a good hitter and putting him away with gas.
Yeah, they were just showing Salazar striking out Cabrera back in 2012, like three times in a row with a bunch of high heaters. He tried throwing it to him again, gone. That's what he tried doing to him today. Struck him out a couple of times on some fastballs. Miggy says, "Okay, here you go." Hits it 450 feet.
Tell you what, and I like it. They're following.
Nice, Joe. It showed up.
But this kid right here, if he stays healthy this whole year, he could be the difference maker for the Pirates.
He could be. He has the talent to do that. It's like Jose Reyes when healthy.
Yeah.
They can do it all. This is one kid that could do it.
He's on pace to hit 32 home runs, driving 111 and steal 30 bags.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
That's like an MVP season,
Yeah,
right?
he's got that talent. Boom, boom, fight it off.
You love that location, don't you, Pedro?
I do. Especially in combination.
I don't understand.
Oh,
I said this when I saw Syndergaard pitch the first time, and you've been saying it a lot. And just as a hitter, when a guy elevates that fastball and it's 99 plus, I'm sorry, that is so hard to catch that too.
well, guys.
Do it more often.
You just saw Miggy.
I don't mean to be a party pooper, but I need to get some sleep.
So that's a sign of immaturity. You don't understand that.
I'm going to go ahead and do a last call for any packs, any breaks you guys would like to do tonight.
You want to elevate the fastball. You don't go in with a
Hang out for a few more minutes, see if we can't get something to fill up. If you'd like to get an order in, go ahead and do that now.
high level, and then you spot away or you bounce. That's what you do.
So let's
Do that, right?
Well, you have
Yeah, that's got to be a pain.
You're worried to come in, you don't want to hit somebody, right?
Yeah, but you're coming to the big leagues. This is the best baseball in the world. So you have to be taught the right way.
Nice, Joe.
To
be seasoned enough to do it.
exactly.
That was
You have to be mature.
that was one of the framed autos from Museum, wasn't it?
That's the purpose of every pitch that you're making.
That was a nice Red Sox hit.
Not just throwing a pitch out there.
But Pedro, the other point is, you can even elevate.
Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it.
Don't see if you got that great reload. You can
Finest. Number 7's at 9 teams. Number 8's at 8. Tier 1. Number 26 is at 16.
Kick the ball down. I guess they have a lot of sinker ballers.
Where's the other Tier 1? Tier 1 number 8 is at 13.
Ball down. But I made my living in Fenway Park.
Totally Certified's at 9. Tribute Pack 20's at 7. Ultimate's at 8. Museum Mini Box is at 8.
Hit it to that side. Hit it. Pull it. And they couldn't. They couldn't. So I had great success in Fenway Park by pitching high in the inner part and taking advantage of the people trying to hit that short wall.
Yeah, that was out of Museum when it first came out. One of our cases we did. Steve, that was a nice one.
This is a flashback to 2009, his first career walk-off homer. And it was against Brad Lidge, who was a memorable closer for the Philadelphia Phillies.
Oh, I was there.
Believe it was the
Yeah, you were. You were with the Fight
Is it a silver frame?
I was right here when he did that.
Yeah, I remember it too.
Slam dunk.
When he hung in the air, the 1-2 pitch from Justin DeFreitas with 2 outs in the bottom of the ninth, and he steps off.
I don't know if you remember in the playoffs, this kid from Australia threw Victor Martinez a couple of pitches and started barking at him.
Oh,
Grant Balfour.
Balfour. You don't want to wake up a sleeping giant, and you don't want to really come in on McCutcheon very often. I mean, with pitches that are not normal, because if he settles and I don't know, he puts you on the loop.
There are certain guys.
He might take you deep.
You're absolutely right. If you ruffle his feathers, he
Yes.
gets you back. Jose Bautista, the same way.
Yeah.
You push him off the plate, he gets mad. He always gets back.
But we saw it earlier with Martin Prado.
Right.
Yeah.
The 2-2 pitch to Freitas. Whoa.
well, there you go. There you go.
Get him over.
Here we go. Come on, coach.
Full count on McCutcheon.
I love it because he's got a quiet confidence about him, and he's like E.F. Hutton. When he speaks, people listen.
Just randomly sent you?
When he said, "You get me now, but I'm gonna get everybody," that's quiet and confident.
Oh, I have to tell you guys, Panini made up pretty well for that box of Diamond Kings. I was kind of hoping they'd replace the box, send another box that we could break, but they sent us some hits instead. A couple of nice ones. Cutchin struck out.
Oh, Andrew McCutcheon is so upset. 0 for 5 in this
No
game.
kidding. Those are real nice hits.
Saturday, we are scoreless bonus baseball in Pittsburgh tonight.
He made a statement in, and then went and buried.
Punches out a former MVP. Speaking of MVPs, Clayton Kershaw going tonight in San Diego against the Padres. He had so much success at Petco. We'll watch
Nice, Joe.
Kershaw work. And we're going to let Pedro Martinez break down the unique mechanics of Johnny Cueto. Off the Studio 42 for that after the break. But did you know you can fill out your 2015 Esurance MLB All-Star Game ballot right now at MLB.com/vote. Voting exclusively
What an ugly slate.
Vote up to 35 times at MLB.com/vote. We're going to Studio 42 next.
Stop window shopping. Start driving. This is L certified by Lexus. A collection of pre-owned vehicles that stand apart. Exclusively at your Lexus dealer.
You won autos from that? Man, lucky.
Destroying the sniper tower would provide no strategic advantage.
I know, Eric. No, we replaced the box. I think we'll use these hits, sell them on eBay to make up for the box that we had to purchase ourselves. There's a Strasburg dual jersey blue frame, 20 of 25. A Longoria jersey bat, numbered to 99. Trevor May, dual jersey auto blue frame, 23 of 25. And Andy Wilkins, dual jersey auto, numbered 299. A couple of nice ones in there.
If you're like me, you care about investing your life, but aren't really sure where to begin. This is Wealth Tech. It's an automated investment.
Well, that's where all your luck went, Steven. Went to them scratch-offs.
Determine your risk tolerance, set up an account, and it will take care of
I figured you were joking, Eric, but I didn't know if other people are sitting out there wondering. So I figured I'd answer the question.
Start investing your money the right way.
Some people are probably sitting going, hey, yeah, we should get those. Yeah, a couple of nice ones. I don't know how that Trevor May is going to work out, but Strasburg's decent.
Better ingredients, better pizza. PapaJohns.com.
Longoria's not bad.
It's emotion. It's excitement. With live
Only took him a couple days, too. I was pleasantly surprised with the way Panini handled that. They did a nice job. Not too many complaints with Panini's customer service. They're pretty good, I must say.
Hey, can I help you?
Yeah, we're interested in the iPhone. I just want the best for her birthday.
You know, mobiles for value plans now include rollover data, so the data you don't use this month rolls over to the next month.
Wow, even better.
So what do you do with your phone? I'm giving it to my sister coming. She gets all my old hand-me-downs. Oh, I'm into bedazzling too. You admit that? Yeah, I used to be into bedazzling. I'll go get your phone.
Get the iPhone 6 with rollover data this year.
Yeah, I was a little confused at how they just have that stuff sitting around to send out. That's why I assumed that they would ship out a box. Because now if somebody... I guess I just don't understand. How do they have those extra cards laying around? Do they put them together real quick? Do they print more? What do they do? If those were supposed to be for redemptions, what happens when somebody opens the box with those redemptions and they don't have the card? That's the only thing I was confused about. How do they just have those cards sitting there?
How many bats do you have now? Like 5? 3 games. So that's Kendrick catching the ball in foul territory and Barnes caught looking. Are the Dodgers about to start? Are they going to start the separation?
Well, I want to show you some separation here. Watch this play right here. We're going down the line. This is dangerous. You got Will Myers at first base. And Puig's going down the line. Now, Will, I can't believe he got up, to be honest with you. I just saw this when we were leaving Studio 3 to come over here to 42. Here's another look at it. He's got his foot covering the whole bag. Where is he to step? And he's so lucky that he is not just blown up right now. Can you believe he's standing up there still playing?
I can't believe he's still out there playing. Egon has hit many home runs in this park during his days with the Padres. Flies out to the trap
Yeah, I don't know. I found it very, very odd.
at first base. Will Myers seems like he's okay.
Finest number 7.
Just human beings.
Getting a little bit closer. Down to 6 teams.
He's lucky got the button done.
Can we get it? Indians, Astros, Brewers, Twins, Giants, and Rays.
Will Myers supposed to do, Harold?
Well, here's the deal. He's learning first base, and so because that ball was up the line,
It's not going to be much. I'll throw a 5% discount up there on this number 7 to get that to go.
here, he got his foot like this, all right? And he blocks off the base. He's lucky he didn't get killed. So what you want to do is get off to the side.
Last 6 teams, 5% off.
This guy's got all this area right there. And again, I think a lot of these injuries back to replay. Because guys are making sure. How many times have we seen first baseman come out?
Ah, that's true, Eric.
First seems like it's reviewed, but I'm on the bag. But because my foot is touching the base, it doesn't present that way a lot of times on replay. So now you're getting guys that don't play over here a lot, and they're putting their foot on the bag. Well, you gotta get killed.
Yeah.
You know, it used to be, hey, I'm getting out of there, go throw it around, right? Guys are sticking around.
More. And you got to tie your shoe, by the way. Harold.
Yeah, I saw, but that's cool. That's
Let's go
cool.
to the 6. The A's are up a lot. Billy Butler swinging and miss.
Can't tie it now. She told me. You're gonna come back and I'm like, oh, he told me.
I'm just saying what everyone in America's thinking. They don't see a trip.
America.
Pop up the center field. Mike Trout has it.
Santiago's still on there.
Yeah, I still believe in Hector Santiago.
You know what we're getting ready to do here? Is we're going to talk about Cueto and his tempo. And Santiago's a guy that has tempo too.
Yes.
Well, he'll change. Sometimes he'll go quick. And if you're not used to that rhythm, he'll do boom, 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 and drop the ball on you.
That is true.
Picked up for
He does have some autos in there, doesn't he?
2/3.
Slow down, you should say, because
You might get lucky.
the bench right now.
Yeah, over 100 pitches.
Do ball well. And remember, they had to use him when they were trying to salvage that road trip in New York. He came out of the bullpen in Yankee Stadium. Remember the big blowout games they had because Richards got blown up in the Saturday afternoon game a week ago. And so they had Santiago came out of the pen. So that plays into your next start. A lot of people say, well, it's his throw day, so we'll put him in the game. There's a different effort,
It's not
right?
the same. It's not the same. When you go to the bullpen, you just pretty much practice releasing and feeling the ball. But when it comes to the game, is competing.
Yeah.
You can't help it but to give 100% effort.
This is clean, boy.
Thank you.
Well, look at Harold Flowers.
Mama's doing a great job.
I would like to show you Johnny Cueto's last start. That took place today again on the other side of Chicago against the Cubs. He threw 113 pitches. He got no decision. He battled. This game went to extra innings, a game that the Reds eventually won. Pedro, you enjoy watching a lot of guys, and sitting here at MLB Network and watching games with Pedro Martinez is such a fun thing to do. He loves the game, and he loves certain uniqueness about pitchers, unique methods,
He sits
mechanics.
back in the chair.
Right.
Let me tell you.
Okay.
What I
Yes.
say.
So what is it about Johnny Cueto that you enjoy?
Well, I've seen Johnny Cueto develop into a very smart pitcher.
Yeah, I remember you saying that, Plum.
Understanding of his body. Johnny Cueto,
I'll wait out a little bit longer.
regular
Give you guys till midnight to close it out.
going, but
If it's not closed by midnight, I'm out.
when it comes to wind up, see, that's the Luis Tian.
I'll give me 4.5
Becoming more
hours of sleep.
switches.
I can function on that. Plenty good.
One that's really like a normal tempo. The
I'm
other
gonna be
one
hit tomorrow night.
is really
but-
abbreviated. And what that does is it throws off the timing of the hitters. That's called disrupting the timing on the hitter. See? Abbreviated move. That's what you call. See? He hangs. He's waiting.
All right, guys.
This is the same hitter right here. This is the same hitter, same.
If you're sure.
See? But it's just like pitches. See?
Well, thanks for coming and hanging out tonight, guys. I appreciate it. Eric,
With different moves.
congrats on the gorgeous looking card there. I'll hold on to it for you. Keep it safe.
There you go, Johnny Cueto. Keep on doing it. Whatever.
But I'm going to call it a night. Thanks for wishing me luck tomorrow. I appreciate it. I'm going to need it. Should be fun. But we'll get all your shipments going out Monday morning.
I wanted to do most of the time is on the way.
Look for some new product up this weekend. We'll try to get some more perfect game in for you guys. We'll look into that Trinity, some classics as well for you. So thanks again, guys. Have a good weekend. We will see you all on Monday.
On the mound, you have to come set. Yeah, but since I was really good and really quick at doing it from the stretch, I had a really quick slide step. So what I would do was just come over, sometimes take advantage of a first and second kind of hitter. I'm looking like I'm checking out my shortstop, see if he's gonna put a daylight or something. Then I pick up my target, and this will be my normal move. See, I grab my leg up. Now I get you in 2 strikes or in a 3 and 2 count, and I'm gonna pretend I'm looking at the runner or on my shortstop. And what I would do is